passenger boat travels upstream from port A to port B in 10 hours. When port A is here, port B is here. This trip takes 10 hours. The downstream journey along the same route takes 6 hours. Going down, you do only in 6 hours. What's the difference? Why does this different? The stream is flowing this way. Stream will go from a higher point to a lower point. The speed of the boat is 4 kilometers per hour. Boat speed is 4 kilometers per hour. When it's traveling upstream, the speed of the stream were S. When traveling upstream, you're rowing against the stream. You'll put in the same effort, but you'll travel only at B minus S. When you're traveling downstream, the stream helps you. You're aided by the stream. The speed will be B plus S. It takes 10 hours when you're traveling at B minus S to travel the distance. It takes only 6 hours when you're traveling at B plus S to find the entrance. We know that B is 4 kilometers per hour. We need to find S. Very simple question. Distance traveled, speed into time. So if you're talking about when we are going upstream, the distance traveled D is 4 minus S kilometers per hour into 10 hours. When you're taking the equation distance for when you're traveling downstream, 4 plus S into 6 hours is distance. We're traveling the same distance. We're going from either A to B or B to A. This gives us 4 minus S into 10 equals 4 plus S into 6. This is 5. This is 3. 20 minus 5S equals 12 plus 3S. 20 minus 12 equals 3S plus 5S. 8 equals 8S. Our speed of stream is 1 kilometer per hour. What is the speed of the stream? 1 kilometer per hour.